In this lesson, the introduction to engineering data analysis, I've learned so many things and strengthened my understanding on data analysis. Through this lesson, I have understand further on the things that I will be mentioning later. Data. What is a data? Data refers to the quantitative or qualitative informations that were gathered, primary or secondary. A data can be called quantitative data if that data is in numerical value or expressed in numerical form such as age and height. Also, a data can be called qualitative data if it is expressed or in descriptive form. The examples of qualitative data are eye color or gender. There are also what we call primary and secondary data. Primary data are data that were gathered directly or first-hand data. Meanwhile, secondary data are data that were gathered from another source. In addition, I've also learned that there are 5 ways of collecting data. First is the direct or interview method. In this method, the interviewer collects data to the interviewee by asking his or him questions in person. Next is the indirect or questionnaire method. In this method, there are prepared questions or survey sheets that will be given to the respondents for them to answer. Then, the registration method. For example, is when we register in COMELEC, they collect our information or data from us, but this method is enforced by law. And lastly, the experimental method. This method is used by experimenting the cause and effect of a certain product. In addition, this lesson taught me that I should always be prepared in conducting a survey and should always have a goal so that I will not put a burden on myself and also to my respondents. And lastly, I've learned that I should really practice creating an effective survey so that it will be clear and will avoid mishaps. And that's all that I've learned during this lesson. Thank you.